Hey guys, today we'll take you through on how we can add comments within an Excel sheet. Now, why do we need comments within Excel sheet? So there are some data that you prepare, yeah, and it can happen that it normally happens. It practically thinking, it always happens that some or the other person is also working along with you on those sheets, and they need to know what the data is for. Yeah. So what I need to do is put some message for my team members or put some message regarding the data, what it all consists of. Yeah. Suppose I want to add a comment over here explaining what is order date or what is region. Yeah. So what I'll do is there are three ways in which you can add comments to your Excel explaining what the data is all about. The first way is going to your review tab. So this is your review tab on the ribbon. So I click on the review tab and you click on new comment within the comments box. So this is your comment group from where you can add comments clicking on new comment. So this is how the window looks like when you are adding a comment. Here is where I can type what I want to type. So this is the column for order date. And I can just move out of those column and you'll find a small red tick mark which has occurred just on the right upper corner of that particular cell. So B2 now has a comment. Yeah. So this cell B2 now has a comment. If I hover my mouse pointer over it, the comment will automatically pop up, which will show me what this column is meant for. So this is the first way of adding a comment. Okay. So you go to the review tab, add new comment. Second way of adding a comment is you go to that particular cell where you want to add a comment. So suppose I want to add a comment now in region. So I go to region, right click on that particular cell, and in this particular options that you get an option for insert comment. I click on insert comment, again, the same window. I type what this column is meant for. This contains data of zones. Yeah. If I move out, if I click my cursor out of this, you can find as a hover over the cell, it will show me the pop-up as it showed for order date. Yeah. So this was the second way. The first way was through review tab. Second way is by right clicking on that particular cell where you want to add the comment. Third is by pressing Shift F2 on your keyboard. So you go to your keyboard. Let me open the keyboard once again. So I go to the keyboard, my on-screen keyboard. Now I go to the cell where I want to add my comment. So suppose I want this comment on the total. I want to show how the total occurs. So it is unit into unit cost. So I go to the cell where I want to add the comment. I press Shift F2. Yeah. So Shift F2 will add a comment. You can see here the comment has opened up. Now I can say the total is calculated by multiplying units with units cost. Yeah. So next time I hover over this particular cell, I would be able to see that what this total is meant for. Okay. So we saw three ways in which we can add comment to your data in Excel. The first way was to review tab, which is available on ribbon. Second is by right clicking on that particular cell where you want to add the comment. Third is by pressing the window keyboard shortcut, that is Shift F2. Okay. Now this was to add comment to a particular cell. Now, how do I modify the comment? Now I have added the comment. Now, suppose I want to modify that particular comment. Yes. So how do I do that? So suppose I want to modify this comment. Again, what I can do is go to the cell where I want to modify the comment. Yes. And go to the review tab again, and you will get an option to edit the comment. If I move my cursor to a place where it does not have a comment, it will ask me to add a new comment. But if the comment is already existing on a particular cell, this new comment option will go away and it will give me edit comment option. Yeah. Here is where I can perform four actions. I can edit a comment. I can delete a comment. I go to the previous comment or go to the next comment. Yeah. Or I can show hide comments as well. So suppose I want to go to the next comment. So if I click on next, it moves to the next comment. You see this? It has moved to the total. If I want come back to regions comment, I'll click on previous. It has come back to region. Again previous, it has come back to order date. Yeah, so this is where you can move on between the comments. If I want to delete a comment on order date, I'll click on review and then click on delete. It has deleted the comment. Now there is no comment for order date. Okay. If I want to see all the comments which are available, yeah. If I want to see all the comments, I'll say show all comments. Can see all the comments which are available on these sheets will get automatically opened. Yeah. I'll just click it once again so that it hides it. Clear? Now suppose I want to do the same actions from somewhere else. How do I do that? I can also go to the cell where I have the comment, right click on it, and it will give me the same option. Whether I can edit the comment, whether I can delete the comment, or I can show hide the comments. Yeah, so it is showing me. Again, I can hide the comment, so it is hiding the comment. Yeah, but if you hover with your mouse pointer, it will always show. Okay. Now, if I want to edit the comment now, let's come back to editing the comment. So if I go to the place where I have the comment, it will give the option to edit the comment in the review tab. Also, if we right click on it, it will give me the edit comment option. Yeah. Or I can again press the same button. If I go to this particular cell where I have the comment and press the same keyboard shortcut Shift F2, it will open the comment and ask me to enter more data. Yeah, where I can add more data to it and escape to come out of the comment, and I have the new data being added. Yeah. So there are three ways of editing the comment. Again, going to the review tab, click on review tab and edit comment. Right click on the cell where you have the comment and edit the comment. And lastly, press Shift F2 to access the comment and edit and add anything that you need. Yeah. So this is how you add, edit, delete, or move along your comments in your Excel so smoothly. Now, there is one more important thing that you can do with comment. You can format your comment. So suppose I go to this comment. Yeah. The comment opens up. Okay. I click on edit comment. Yeah. This opens the box where I can edit the comment. Now I can right click on this comment. Yeah. and I have the option to format it. So if I right click on this comment, you get an option to format comment. Now I can format the comment from here. Yeah. So I can change the font to Times New Roman. I can make the font bold or italic. Yeah. I can change the color to red. Yeah. I can change what I can do. The changes are not getting affected because I have not selected the data. Okay, now I have selected the data, right click. I select format comment. The thing has opened up. Now if I try to change anything, make bold, italic, yeah, uh, underline or anything that I have to do. If I have to put a superscript, I say okay. Yeah, see, the formatting has taken place. Okay, so by editing it first, right clicking it and format comment is where you get this box, and you can do whatever formatting that you want to do with the comments as and how you like. Okay, say okay. The formatting is back to the place where it was. Yeah. So over here, we saw how we can format comment. But this entire video, we saw how we can add comment, and this is very important. Whenever you have lots and lots of data, at times you also will forget which data meant what. I work on sheets which are probably 300, 400 columns, and could be I'm working on various workbooks. It is very difficult to remember which data means what and what data is being linked to what cell or which column within that Excel sheet. For that place, you need to add comment wherever it is very important to know what that data contains. Yeah. Hope you understood the concept of adding comments to your Excel sheet. Hope you like this video. Do like it, share it across with your friends who want to learn Excel. Do comment if you want me to cover any other topics in my entire 365 days of Excel. And yes, do not forget to subscribe to my channel because that's how you are going to get all my videos directly to your inbox. Thank you so much.